Hello friends, myself Chandra and welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. In our channel you always get new indicators which we usually test on the different products with the different settings, and we try to find the best one so you can make money in the market. Myself Chandra. So let's start this video with another amazing scalping indicator, and as per we thumbnail you just check that it is a scalping 1 minute scalping strategy, and basically it is a work on the volatile products, not in a very slow momentum. You need to find the fast momentum products to get proper benefit of the scalping. So first you select, like we select nifty bank chart in Tradingview, and it is a 1 minute Hikinashi chart. So one, you go to chart and select Hikinashi, and time frame is 1 minute. Now you go to indicator tab and you select BT Cloud. It's a BT Cloud by Husky Trades. Just you select this indicator. Now there is a, you if you check, there is a green and brown ribbon is coming, so we just change the setting because we not need much more things. So go to style, because in the input nothing is there to change. Go to style, like first option is BT shorts, you just remove that. BT lead, remove that. BTK, remove that. BT cloud, only BT cloud you need to select, and rest all you need to unclick. Now we change the color, so we color we change to blue, and precision is 100%. Like if you check that it is changed, and we go to another BT cloud, there is a color is brown, so we select that is as a yellow color, and opacity we select more than 90%, and done. So what is in this indicator, because it is a some trend indicator, and it is a, we select 1 minute because we need to scalp the market. So, and he can actually giving good trend confirmation. In this there is a two type of trades. One, you can enter in a trade and hold the positions till the signal is not changed. Like if you check, the yellow cloud is continue and there is a blue started, so we close. One setup is this, you can follow this type. If the blue is coming, so you can go for buy trade, can go for buy trade. But we are not going to put this as a buy or sell trade, so we select like it is a today's date, 4th of December. So first signal is coming around 10, there is a yellow cloud is started. So what is our entry and target? So yellow is started, cloud is started, so our entry is short position. Once yellow is started, the candle is closed, we need to enter, and minimum risk reward is 1 to 1. So if you check that 1 to 1 risk reward is completed. Now buy is coming, so we again go to long position, and once the candle is closed, we enter in a trade and go to entry. Risk reward is 1 to 1, but in this case the stop loss is red. Again yellow is started, so we select this indicator, so yellow ribbon started, so our trade is sell. So if you check that this trade is giving the profit, means it is a profitable. Again we go to, if you check that away, again the signal is changed, so we enter the trade with a long position, means buy trade, yeah, after closing this candle, and if you check, the profit is happened. Now market is moving above this. Once you exit that trade, so you need to wait to market is come down to the cloud, and there is a hammer candles means rejection from bottom side, so you can enter another trade. So again we enter in this positions. In after this, so stop loss is just above this previous swing low. So if you check that there is a trade giving profit in this region, but it is a risk reward is 1.27, so we just reduce that only 1 to 1. So this profit is happened in this candle. Again market is come down, so we enter in a trade with long. So risk reward 1 to 1. Again the profit is happened. Till the time market is in a one direction or in a trend, so you get good profit. Again 1 is to 1. Then go to long positions. You can, if you see that rejections has happened, so you can enter in this trade. Again 1 is to 1 is giving. Again go to long positions. Again the profit is happened. Again go for long position. But in this setup, the we failed because our stop loss is hit, or if the color is changed, so we can exit, means it is exit somewhere in this area. Once yellow is started, so we again go to short positions. Once the candle is closed, we enter in a short, and if you check that target is happened. Again blue ribbon is started. Once blue is started, we again go to buy position. Again this profit. Again market is come to the cloud, so again we enter and the profit is given. Okay, the market is come to this level, so enter. You check that again the profit is happened. So this type of strategy, it is giving good profits. Now we test this indicator in crude oil future in MCX, and in MCX in commodities. If you want to trade this indicator, you need to select the volatile products, which is oftenly in the market like crude oil, gold, silver. So we test this indicator in a crude oil today. So, and you need to check that you always trade this indicator in a US session market, like after 6 18:15 IST, means 16:15 PM as per Indian time. So today if you check that there is a one yellow cloud is created after 6:15, the first signal, so we go for a short. So we win this trade. Again there is a blue cloud is created under the candles, so we enter in this trade. Again this trade is when a minimum risk reward is 1 to 1, or you can trail this as per your convenience. As per trailing method, you can use the trail method. Now there is a sell generated, so again the sell is giving profit. Now there is a blue buying, so we go for buy, but it is giving losses. Once you see the market is a range, it is stuck in a range, so just wait to break that range. Like in this check, there is a market stuck in a range, so we just wait to break this range. So once the range is break, then you go for sell or buy as per the signal. there is a yellow cloud is, so we enter in a trade with a sell trade. If you check that, it is again win. Now there is a blue cloud is generated, so long position about this indicate. So if you check that, there is a possibility that one risk to one risk reward you getting, but you can also trail by the indicator low by placing your stop loss with the indicator low, and you can follow that trend completely. Try to complete the maximum trend. Again the yellow is generated, so our trade is short, means sell. So enter in a trade. Again the trade is win. Again the buy trade is coming, but the buy is not work. Check the color is changed. Stop loss is hit, and stop loss is below the previous swing. Okay, you can go for a long trade. Enter here. Stop loss is below the red candle. So if there is a stop loss hit, again you go for a buy trade above this candle, so you're getting the profit. So this type of indicator you can use, and that's a very good indicator. You can use in a crypto, forex, or you can stocks, you can trade in a commodities, you can use this indicator in indices or any market. You can use in any market. You need to focus on this risk reward ratio and money management, and properly discipline. With a discipline you can trade one setup in any one product and just expertise yourself. Hope you understood this indicator. Any query, you just comment us on Telegram at Trading in a Robot, or you can follow us our channel YouTube, and other videos are posted in our channel, learning videos or good indicators. So just subscribe our channel and follow us to get more useful indicators and technical stuffs. Hope you understood. Thank you so much guys. Good day, take care, happy trading.